La 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 la. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, come on. Hey, hey, hey. And when you talk to the camera, look at the lens, don't look at the screen. Yeah, when you look at the screen, you're looking away from the camera. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you gotta look into the lens. So you're making eye contact with the...
I was supposed to actually sit down and tape.
With what?
And tape to do these rollers.
That's what it is. Alright, so we doing the bottom portion of the stern on the shelf.
Halfway.
Our plan is to get 3 layers on. 1708, 1808, 1708. Let's get to it. Layer number 1. Rather put on a resin. I don't like thin rolling. There's really nothing glorious about any of it. Rolling in the resin is more satisfying. Huh? Where you come from? We got a problem, man. It's raining and that's not layup. So we got it pretty much wet out. And see if we can just fin roll it, get as much bubbles out. You can't put on any more resin now because it's mixing with water. And that's not good. So, look like 1 layer today. And hope the rain don't mess it up too much. So yeah. See what I'm talking about down at the bottom? The rain sprinkles just in that bottom section. And it's messing up our layup, man. So we're done for the day. I don't know how good this 1 layer gonna hold up. I think it should be okay. Anyway, hope it all works out for the best.
I gotta sun and prep everything again.
Yeah. At least the bottom piece. Probably gonna have to sign again.
Everything gotta sun and prep again.
Everything?
Mm-hmm.
Why everything?
Because all the edges gotta get feathered off and
Oh, you mean
little spiky
all
bits.
the bumps?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well, it is what it is. Well, while we're here, here's the layup we did the other day on top shelf. It started to cure on us while we were laying up. It actually looks a lot better today. It's definitely soaked up some more resin. You can see a few of the fibers, but it looks acceptable. Good enough, I guess, to stay. Maybe just clean it up with one layer of chalk mat to pretty it up. But I think it's good enough. It's only that last outer layer, the last layer. All the rest were good. It's just this one. I think we'll be alright. What y'all think? So here's the bee update. Really bad logging this, man. Y'all forgive me. But anyway, here it goes. It's been about a month now, 3-4 weeks since I put the trap up. Came home on a Wednesday evening, checked the trap, and I saw a good dozen, 10, 15 bees buzzing around. So yeah, man, I was really hot and excited. I say, hey, they found my trap. So I observed them the rest of the afternoon, evening, and they slowly went away one by one by one by one. I wasn't sure if they were going in the box or just heading out back to wherever the swarm was. So reached a point where there were no bees buzzing around the box anymore. So I went and put my ladder. Back up on the tree, because they said if you're not sure if the bees are in there, you just go put your ear to the box and see if you hear buzzing. If you hear buzzing, the bees are in the box. If you don't, then they're not. So I went up, put my head to the box. I couldn't tell if I was hearing buzzing or not. There's a lot of other ambient noise going on. Nothing definitive anyway. So yeah, I just put it back to them being scouts, and they returned to the swarm. So all that said and done, Thursday, no signs activity. Friday, no signs activity. Saturday morning, I usually come sit out on the front porch, have a cup of coffee. Man, as soon as I open the front door, there's this intense buzzing, man, intense. And it was coming from over there. I didn't see any bees per se, but man, it was just an intense buzz, I should say. So yeah, so I was sipping coffee, and the buzz was just pulsating, man. It's really heavy buzz. So I was guessing the swarm was coming. Lasted about half hour, I'd say. And then there's a brief period of really intense buzzing, and then the buzzing died off. Now, all this time, I left the ladder leaning up against a tree. I don't know if I chased the swarm away because they noticed something that wasn't there before, but I'm pretty sure it was a swarm. And for some reason, they left. They didn't enter my truck. I don't know why. Anybody else who knows a little more about this, maybe could help me shed some light on what happened. Maybe I did something wrong by leaving the lot up against a tree. Maybe it's something else. I don't know. Some weather was coming down. Rain clouds were building up. Maybe it was that. I don't know. Yeah, so I guess they went and found something else. And all this time, I mean, I didn't really look that good. But I couldn't see anything. It's like they were all dispersed throughout the entirety of the tree. I did notice that there were a lot of birds in that tree during this time. I don't know. Maybe a bird ate the queen? I don't know. It's possible. Maybe I scared her. Maybe I scared the swarm away with the lot up against the tree. I don't know. Feel like I might have made a rookie mistake. Damn it. Now, I don't know how many times bees swarm down here. May have another opportunity this summer. See how it goes. So yeah, I feel like I missed an opportunity. I don't know if it's my fault or not, but we'll see. Just gotta wait for the next swarm. Later.